You're doing window management on Mac completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single day. Most Mac users struggle with resizing and organizing windows manually when there's a game-changing tool that automates everything. Here's the brutal truth about Mac window management. Unlike Windows with its built-in snap features, macOS leaves you dragging windows around like it's 1995. You're constantly overlapping applications, losing track of important windows, and wasting mental energy on basic organization instead of focusing on your actual work. According to Apple's latest macOS Sonoma documentation, the built-in window management features are limited to basic split view and mission control. But there's a revolutionary solution that transforms your Mac into a productivity powerhouse, and it's called Rectangle Window Manager. Let me show you exactly how to set up Rectangle Window Manager to become a Mac power user. First, head to the Rectangle app website or download it directly from GitHub. Rectangle is completely free and open source, which means it's constantly updated by developers who actually use Macs professionally. Download the Rectangle DMG file and drag the application to your Applications folder. This is crucial because Rectangle needs proper permissions to control your windows across all applications. Launch Rectangle from your Applications folder, and you'll immediately see a menu bar icon appear at the top of your screen. The first thing Rectangle will ask for is accessibility permissions. Click on the Rectangle menu bar icon, select Preferences, and you'll see the main Rectangle settings window. This is where the magic happens. Rectangle shows you every keyboard shortcut available, from basic left and right snapping to advanced quarter screen positioning. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and we're building the ultimate library of Mac productivity tutorials. Now let's configure Rectangle for maximum efficiency. In the Rectangle Preferences window, you'll see shortcuts for left half, right half, top half, bottom half, and corner positions. The default shortcuts use Control and Option keys combined with arrow keys, which feels natural if you're coming from Windows. But here's where you can customize everything to match your workflow. Click on any shortcut field to change it. I recommend keeping the default left half shortcut as Control Option left arrow, and right half as Control Option right arrow. These become muscle memory incredibly fast. For top half and bottom half, the Control Option up arrow and Control Option down arrow shortcuts work perfectly. The center window feature is absolutely game-changing. Set this to Control Option C, and you can instantly center any window on your screen at the perfect size. This is especially useful for applications like Calculator, Notes, or any floating palette you want positioned precisely. Rectangle also includes Maximize and Almost Maximize options. According to Rectangle's documentation updated in late 2024, Almost Maximize leaves a small border around your window, which looks cleaner than full screen mode while still maximizing your workspace. I use Control Option Return for Almost Maximize, and it's become essential for applications like Finder, Safari, or any app where I want maximum screen real estate. Here's where Rectangle gets incredibly powerful. The Restore function, mapped to Control Option Backspace by default, remembers your window's previous position and size. This means you can quickly snap a window to half screen, work with it, then restore it to exactly where it was before. This eliminates the constant window shuffling that destroys productivity. The advanced positioning options include first third, center third, and last third. These divide your screen into 3 vertical sections, perfect for ultra-wide monitors or when you're working with multiple reference documents. Set these to Control Option D, Control Option F, and Control Option G respectively for easy access. Rectangle's corner snapping is phenomenal for specific workflows. Top left, top right, and bottom right positioning lets you create perfect quadrant layouts. This is incredibly useful for developers who need terminal windows, code editors, browsers, and documentation visible simultaneously. In the Rectangle Preferences, enable Move Cursor to Center of Target Screen if you're using multiple monitors. This feature automatically moves your mouse cursor when Rectangle moves a window to a different display, maintaining perfect workflow continuity across your monitor setup. The Launch on Startup option is essential. Enable this in Rectangle Preferences so window management shortcuts are always available the moment you boot your Mac. Rectangle uses minimal system resources, so there's no performance impact from running it continuously. Now let me share the pro tips that separate casual users from power users. First, Rectangle works perfectly with multiple desktops using mission control. You can snap windows on any desktop, switch between desktops, and your window arrangements remain exactly as you position them. Per Rectangle's GitHub documentation, the app supports custom gap spacing between windows. In advanced preferences, you can set pixel gaps between snapped windows, creating a cleaner visual separation that matches modern design aesthetics. I recommend 5 pixel gaps for most setups. Rectangle integrates seamlessly with macOS full screen mode in split view. If you're already using a window in full screen, Rectangle shortcuts will bring it back to windowed mode first, then apply your chosen positioning. This eliminates the confusion of mixed window management systems. The Ignore Specific Apps feature is brilliant for applications that have their own window management, like certain creative software or games. Add these apps to Rectangle's Ignore list in Preferences, and Rectangle won't interfere with their custom window behavior. For developers and power users, Rectangle supports command line integration. You can create shell scripts or automator workflows that trigger specific Rectangle functions, enabling complex window arrangements with single commands or keyboard maestro macros. Here's the workflow that will transform your productivity. Start your day by opening your essential applications. Use Rectangle to snap your email client to the left half, your browser to the right half. Need to reference documents? Use first third and last third positioning to create a 3-panel layout with documents on the sides and your main work in the center. When you switch tasks, use Rectangle's restore function to return windows to their previous positions, then create new arrangements for your current project. This eliminates the desktop chaos that kills focus and wastes time. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Rectangle Window Manager transforms your Mac from a single window frustration into a multitasking powerhouse that adapts to your workflow instead of fighting against it. Master these shortcuts, customize them to your needs, and watch your Mac productivity skyrocket. Don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing Mac tutorials that unlock your technology's true potential.